Good day, pupils. How are you today? Let's start our English lesson. Please take your books and your copybooks and go to page number 44. Сәлеметсіздер ме, балалар, ағылшын тілі сабағын бастаймыз. Здравствуйте, ребята, начинаем английский урок. And today's our new theme is about culture corner. And today's our new vocabulary. Please listen and repeat.
Aim.
Aim, мақсат, цель.
Brushstroke.
Brushstroke, бояудың жағылған жолы, мазок.
Canvas.
Canvas, кенеп, холст.
Confine.
Confine, шектеу, ограничивать.
Database.
Database, деректер базасы, база данных.
Entrant.
Entrant, талапкер, абитуриент.
Humankind.
Humankind, адамзат, человечество.
Identify.
Identify, анықтау, выявить.
Judge.
Judge, мнил, покарайту, судить.
Process.
Process, процесс, үрдіс, процесс.
Professional.
Professional, шебер, профессионал.
Region.
Region, аймақ, регион.
Scene.
Scene, көрініс, сцена, место действия.
Scene. Sketch.
Sketch, эскиз.
Solid.
Solid, қатты, твердый.
Studio.
Studio, студия.
Tutorial.
Tutorial, өздігінен үйренуге арналған видео. Видео для обучения. Please write down these new words on your copybooks with their translations. And let's watch the video about Culture Corner.
VR art. Create Noosa. From the early days of cave painting, humans have always created art. Thousands of years later, we are still creating art, but the walls are no longer solid rock. These days, they're virtual. Create Noosa is the world's first virtual reality art competition for schools. Entrants design 3D artwork using virtual reality equipment in a VR studio provided by the competition organizers. Unlike traditional art, VR art is not confined to the size of your canvas or the material you sculpt from. Here, you can create worlds that only exist in your imagination. Started in May 2017, this exciting event is open to high school students from Noosa, a town in Queensland, Australia. The aim is to identify young talent and motivate students to develop their tech skills. It also helps students gain professional experience which will look great on future job applications. The young artists are introduced to the VR tools through tutorials before going to the VR studio where they start creating. They work on their project at school and at home, building up ideas and sketches to help them create their final piece in the studio. When their studio time is over, the VR artworks are saved to a database and safely backed up. The competition offers a VR system for coming first and drawing tablets for 2 runners-up. Create Noosa is not only a unique opportunity for young artists to explore their creativity, it's also a chance to see the possibilities of VR combined with the human imagination.
Task 1. Exercise 2. You have to read the text carefully and for questions 1 to 10, choose the correct word A, B, C or D's. You have to put these words, one of the words, with their meanings. Бірінші тапсырма, екінші жаттығу. Тексті жақсылап оқыңыздар. Берілген жерлерге A, B, C, D дегі сөздерді қойып шығыңыздар. Первое задание, второе упражнение. В этом упражнении прочитайте текст внимательно и поставьте в нужные места слова и выбирайте самые подходящие. Task 2. Exercise 3. In this exercise you have to fill in the words. Екінші тапсырма, үшінші жаттығу. Бұл жаттығуда дұрыс сөздерді орналастырып шығыңыздар. Второе задание. Третье упражнение. В этом упражнении вы должны поставить нужные слова в нужные места. Homework exercise. Exercise 4. You have to give the answers to these questions. Үйге тапсырма. Берілген үш сұраққа жауап жазыңыздар. Домашнее задание. Четвертое упражнение. Дайте ответы к данным вопросам. Good luck to everyone.